What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2009 G8 Pontiac. Look at this thing. Beautiful car. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, and there was a mid resonator here, dual in, dual out. We deleted it and left his two middle resonators there because it's got two sets of resonators. One set here and then one set here. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back into 2 flex pipes there and there. And then we did a muffler delete right there and reused his factory tips. He wanted the factory look there and there, so we left it alone for him, as you guys can see there and there. So it came out really nice, really clean. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it, and there's the dual in, dual out resonator right there, as you guys can see. So we got it all taken care of. Made it, other than the set of resonators in the middle, we straight piped it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Let's see his reaction. Yes? Yeah, he's happy. Yeah, it sounds so much better. One more? Oh. It's not that crazy loud. That's why we left those in the middle. We're not going to disturb the neighbors too much, you know? Yes. It's clean. She's clean too. That's a clean car. I like it. They need to bring Pontiac back, guys. Don't you guys agree? Let me know. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Pontiac G8 Beast, straight pipe, other than 2 baby resonators in the middle. So we took the big resonator and the muffler off. You see it walk right in front of the camera?